client with lupus nephritis, her lab work has improved. In only 3 weeks in a program, her kidney function increased from 80 to 111%. Also, her Smith autoimmune antibodies have decreased and her complement levels have improved. So all of her lab work has improved in only 3 weeks in a program.
This is Sheila. I just wanted to share and just reconfirm what was said earlier. That was me with the kidney functioning. I was shocked. I've been in this program, I think 3 weeks only. So it jumped to 111%. My ANA levels are going down, but definitely just stay dedicated and do exactly what they say and then go from there. So I'm really excited. I am going to do another testing later this month. So I will have more testimonies to share in Jesus' name.
Another client emailed us that she's seen improvements in her daughter's stools. Her daughter has been dealing with colitis. Her daughter has been having blood in her stool due to colitis, which is an inflammation in your colon.